this is yung nibili ni Mama. First, itong orange. And itong purple na nibili namin last time. Pero, nabili na natin. Kasi si Papa, yung pabango ni Mama. Tapos ito naman yung favorite kong color blue stuff ni order ni Mama. Guys, this is, na-open ko na yung ni Mama. Yung parcel ni Mama. So, I'm gonna try it all. First, ito muna pop. Hindi ko uunahin yung blue kasi favorite ko. Ito guys. Popo. Ay. Kala ko na-open ko to yung nigaganto. Na-open ko pala to. I'm here.
No, this one only. Yeah. Want me to help you spray?
Guys, my arrow. Hindi nyo nakikita.
Mama will spray. Oh, give me your hand. Close your eyes. Okay. What's the smell? What's the smell?
Smells like Hello Kitty. Smells like.
Smell it again. Smells good?
Yeah, smells like. Odo. Smells like smells like lipstick.
Okay. Next one.
Try it, guys.
Next one.
Guys, may buo po yung ano ko. Kala ko is yung mata ko. Hindi ba ako English? Next is orange. Yung hindi naman favorite color. Si Mommy guys favorite color na green. Kaya may green sa ano ka?
Oh, let me spray.
Ako na kaya ko.
Smell it. What's the smell? Nice smell?
Mama smells like your hair.
My hair?
Yeah. So I'm gonna put it on your hair.
Okay.
And guys, I'm gonna press my favorite color. Guys, ito yung open.
Show the perfume.
Bakit na-spray sa mata ko tapos
Here.
Dati nga na-spray sa yung alcohol dito kaya namula.
Here. Here. Okay.
Chipi laban.
What's the smell?
Smells like boxing.
Boxing.
Smells like
Water.
guys, di ba blue yung water, so amoy yung water.
So which one's your favorite?
I keep my eye on this because I'm gonna choose this.
You like that?
Yeah,
Oh,
and
show it.
this one.
Show it to the camera.
Ito purple. And this one, all of them is my favorite. Bye guys. For part 2. Bye. Bukas magbibideo din kami pag birthday ko. Matagal pa birthday ko. Magiging 6 ako. Sa birthday ko, matagal pa yun. Kasi 5 na ako. Dati 4 pa lang ako. Bye guys.